What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're going to learn about how to actually check for the logic gaps and how to improve those if you are writing an essay with the Claude. So here you guys can see that I have first made an outline of the essay with the topic, the impact of artificial intelligence on the modern UI and UX design. Now, after the outline, I made it write the essay for 200 words. This is the essay, but I want to find out the logical gaps and point out the areas of improvement. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and give this prompt to it. Now, it will think about it and then come back to me with the logical gaps and the areas to improve. So over here, you will see that it has already found out a logical gap, even though it wrote it itself, but it's still find a logical gap. The biggest one is in the softer button for a lonely person example. It sounds beautiful, but it actually undercuts your own argument. Personalization like that is exactly the kind of pattern AI is getting good at detecting from behavioral data. So this is the areas of improvement, and this is how you guys can simply by giving a single prompt, you guys can make and see for the logical gaps in your documents or in your assets as well. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.